Welcome to MarineMax Lindenhurst. Today we're going to walk through the all-new 2019 21 Boston Whaler Montauk. Up here in the bow, plenty of seating, a lot of storage underneath this compartment, and you have your anchor storage in here. This boat has the split bow rail, great for boarding the boat from the bow. You don't have to go over the bow rail. Plenty of cup holders and rod holders up here as well. You have your cooler seats, powder coated T-top, great feature. This console here, you have your portable head with pump out. Marine navigation screen, fusion stereo, your Mercury gauges, all your switches, and your VHF radio. This boat is equipped with the teak side boarding rails. This seat here folds up, plenty of storage, and tackle storage as well. Both of these seats fold down. You have plenty of room for fishing. Come into MarineMax Lindenhurst and check us out.